Okay, so we're getting ready to head up the canyon to have a campfire. At Smith's, getting some drinks. We always stop by Smith's on our way up the canyon to grab some good drinks. And we also usually stop by Taco Time and get some burritos. What are you doing, dude? You got out of your car seat?
Yes.
Okay. Don't really take the car off or we'll be in trouble. Come up here to eat with me? Well, I guess Jace is driving us, so everybody wish us luck. Check out this snowstorm we had.
This is with the roads all cleaned off.
Yeah, this is crazy. Lots of snow.
I'll do a video of the back now.
You want me to do a video back there and get you on video? Okay, let me show.
Outside.
It's pretty and ugly all at the same time.
No, the back from outside.
Oh, the back of the window? Okay, Jace wants me to show you guys the back here. Oh yeah, that's cool. What the heck is going on back there? What are you doing, Baxter? You watching Despicable Me? Jace, you're crazy. Crazy. Crazy kid. Good girl. Get it. That's some deep snow.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good girl. Is that funny? Oh my. Good girl. I think she got a tree branch. Oh, it's stuck in the tree branch. Okay, baby, come back over here. Come on, good girl. What a champ. Good girl. It's hot. Yep, hot. Yep, hot. Ouch.
Why do you burn snow out?
Yeah, we're burning wood around the snow. Hi, Dad.
Hey. What's up, bud?
You okay, Rocky? We are at the doctor getting a checkup for Beck, and I'm just really hoping that there's no shots because
We don't do shots.
hate shots. I hate them.
We don't do shots.
Wish us luck.
Right, Mom?
Right.
We don't have shots anymore.
Well, that would be nice. Poor Beck, if they do. There's chickens in the road.
Mom, look out, we get
Watch
some
out, dudes.
chickens and a rooster. Mom, look out.
Hot. Beck is helping me cook spaghetti. That's hot, huh? We can't touch it. Hot. Huh? We can't touch it. He's very helpful, as you can tell.
Always had an eye for things that glitter.
But I was far from being made of gold. Oh, Tim McGraw. Cooking spaghetti. That's what's for dinner.
Could quite tell you no.
Just like when you were leaving it, just to see you smile. I'd do anything Rocky stands here because she smells this up here. So she always stands next to me while I'm cooking, when I cook, which isn't very often. Huh? So you want a piece of whatever I'm dishing, huh? You're a good girl. It's freezing outside, and it's been snowing all morning, and it's supposed to snow all day. So, anyways, we're taking a break, going to grab some sushi. Sushi for me, Happy Meals for the boys. And it's probably going to be the highlight of our day. Our life is really exciting. What you got there, Bob?
Taxi.
What you got?
Mom, Alex and the taxi.
Oh, thank you.
Taxi. Done. Garbage truck.
All those
taxi.
trucks, baby. Okay, Jace, you get to pick out two
gosh,
toys.
She's opened.
2 toys.
With these toys.
So you
For
got
Mike and
a
snowing
pool
outside.
table, and what else? What's the second one? A delivery truck,
Yeah.
a pool table, and a delivery truck.
And now I just get.
Those are our reward toys. In fact, got veggie straws. You want more?
More veggie straws.
Here you go.
More veggie straws.
Hey, watch out for the car. And stay by me. Hey, bubbies. You guys were very good today. We love the dollar store, huh?
Right, Mom?
Yeah.
With my toy face.
That's your toy face.
Yeah.
So we are cooking steak for dinner. And look, Dan not only shoveled the patio, but he shoveled himself a path all the way around the grill so that he could cook steaks.
Yeah.
He's a champ.
Who needs summer?
Who needs summer? Look at all that snow. That is so much snow. Crazy. Crazy, but the mountains are pretty. Hi, babe.
Sea salt.
Sea salt. So it's Monday, bachelor night. Check out this beautiful feast. Sushi and steak. Look at that yummy steak. Come on, focus. My camera's having a hard time focusing because
Touchscreen.
it's night. Got it? Hola. So anyways, sushi and steak and The Bachelor. Background on Monday night. So good.
You had me at sushi and steak.
Chopsticks and everything.
Lost me at the Bachelor.
Love it. Okay. So we are driving on our way to go hot tubbing at Crystal Hot Springs. And we're eating a pizza in the car. Little Caesars.
Bye-bye.
Jace, are you excited to go to the pool?
Mom, it's just funny when. Not
How's
your
your
damn
pizza?
toes.
How's that pizza?
On pizza. Pizza.
All right. At the gas station on our way out of town. Just living the high life, trying to get through winter. Crystal Hot Springs. Oh, here he comes in his swimsuit. He's so cute. I'm just gonna say it right up front. I have a zit. That is ruining my life. That's a little dramatic, but it's bumming me out. So, that's fun. Also, I took off my nail polish and forgot one finger. That's fun. So I need to go fix that. And that was like 3 days ago, by the way. So I've had one finger painted pink for 3 days. So, and maybe I'll talk like this. Then you'll think all my nails are painted and you won't see my zit. Are you reading a book? How's that buck? Who's that? Is that Elmo? Yeah. So serious. Do you hear a cow? It's Beck playing. It's Jace playing my